first bit. Find the coefficients of x power 4 and x power 5 in the expansion of. Given is 1 minus 2x power 5. For any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term first, and the formula for general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Okay, now what is n? The power is n, and in place of x, inside the bracket the x term you will take. Here the x term is minus 2x. Many miss the negative sign, you should not miss. Okay, now the left out term should be taken for y. Okay, now replace them in the general term. So here it is 5cr, in place of x it is minus 2x, in place of y it is 1. Now simplify this general term to the maximum extent possible. And how do we simplify that? See here. 5cr can't be simplified, I write like that. Now apply the power r to each. So that will be minus 2 power r x power r. Next. Here you have 1. 1 power anything is 1. So whether you write or you do not write, it's not going to make any change. So I am not writing 1. Clear? This cannot be simplified further, so I stop. Now, I need coefficient of x power 4. And here on x the power is r. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. Clear? Equate powers of x to get the value of r. So r equal to 4. Replace r equal to 4 in this. So what will you get? 5c4 minus 2 power 4 x power 4. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be, you get 80 x power 4. Next, you also need coefficient of x power 5. On x the power is 5. Here on x the power is r. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. From that you get r to be 5. Now replace r equal to 5 in this. So it is 5c5 minus 2 power 5 x power 5. Put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be minus 32 x power 5. So we have found coefficients for x power 4 and x power 5. The first bit is done. Second bit. It is given that when is expanded there is no term in x power 5. Find the value of the constant p. Given is 1 plus px times 1 minus 2x power 5. In this expansion, there is no term in x power 5. What do you mean by that? When this you expand, x power 5 should not be present in that expansion. No term in x power 5 means x power 5 term should not exist. And how do you make sure that x power 5 does not exist? Only one way. If there is 0 before x power 5, 0 times x power 5 is 0, that's how I make sure that x power 5 does not exist. Clear? No term in x power 5 means before x power 5 there should be 0. And also I can say is coefficient of x power 5 should be 0. Only in that case I can be sure that x power 5 term is not present in the expansion. Clear? No term in x power 5 means coefficient of x power 5 should be 0. That means I need to find coefficient of x power 5 now. This bracket has got power 1, so it will not undergo any change. This bracket has got power 5, so I get many terms in the expansion. But to get coefficient of x power 5, I don't need all the terms. I need to select only those terms which lead me to get coefficient of x power 5. And how do I decide that? Based on this one. Here it is 1. This needs to be multiplied with x power 5. Only then it will result in x power 5. Okay, now here it is x power 1. This needs to be multiplied with x power 4. Only then it will result in x power 5. Clear? Understood now? For this bracket, what is the coefficient of x power 5? By making use of first bit answer, I can write. In first bit, I found coefficient of x power 5 is minus 32. And coefficient of x power 4, in the first bit, we got it to be 80. So now multiply. 1 times minus 32 will be minus 32. P times 80 will be 80p. Take x power 5 common. So minus 30 plus 80p times x power 5. So this is the coefficient of x power 5. Given is no term in x power 5 means coefficient has to be 0. So equate this to 0. So minus 32 plus 80p equal to 0. Add 32 on both sides. So this is gone. 80p equal to 32. Now divide by 80. So p equal to this cancel 16 to 16 5s. So value of p is 2 by 5. Okay.